What's up, guys? New video. Michael Tempio here. I'm currently uploading a video right now. See, quick vid. Just edited it last night. It's just a quick little video from the other day. This is a weekly vlog, number 2. I'm not doing much right now. Hockey's over. You know, I'm trying to get used to, like, not have anything to do. Right now I just work Monday and Wednesdays nights, but yeah, I think I'm getting a tattoo soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to make an appointment soon, then I think I'm going grocery shopping, so stay tuned for the rest of this week's vlog. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you might have already seen it, but as you guys see, this is my updated room. You might have saw my last video. Remodeled it. Everything used to be over here. TV over there, mirror, blah, blah, blah. I already said this. But the studio's not done yet. I don't know if you can see in there. It used to be very small, but I gotta mount the microphone up here. Now you can fit like 3 people in there. What is up? I just booked my tattoo appointment next Tuesday, 5 o'clock. I've never got a tattoo before, so we'll see how this goes. That's a week from today. So I got a week to figure out what I'm gonna get here. That will be in a separate video. So, yeah, I'm eating dinner at my grandma's tonight, and then I'm going grocery shopping.
What are we doing over here?
Just, cash and checks. My pin it.
Yeah, right. Let me get that pin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Information is all.
You got bank
I'll put it in the
on it.
link below.
What are we doing?
Alright, yo, what is up? We're at Wegmans. Going a little grocery shopping.
It smells
I'm
like
with Rich.
absolute shit.
Weekly motherfucking vlog. I'm with Rich, you know what it is.
You already know what it is.
Walking into Wegmans right now. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm about to get some fucking yummy Oh, I forgot.
Oh.
I got the list. We're about to get
say.
some yummy groceries and shit. You know what I'm saying? Handing it off to Rich though. Alright, well, I got a list here.
We're almost done.
All
Such random shit.
And,
About to get some tea. That's why we're trying to get sleepy. No. $10?
That's great. Beautiful. We spent about like $78. That's alright.
I don't know where we parked.
To the left, I think. Our fucking camera died, bro.
We got hella groceries. We're here. We got a dip. It's fucking
It is cold, dude. It's fucking 30 here.
I'll take that.
It's fucking 30 out, dude.
I'll take the dash camera.
Camera we brought. What a joke.
Fucking don't forget this. We'll put that. Bang. We'll take that piece of fuck
Yeah, I think I'm going to the car wash right now. Last time I went through Delta, though, it blew my fender flare off. So, hopefully that don't happen again. But yes, alright, about to get a car wash.
Good job, first.
So pissed, dude. It didn't look like that. It blew my paint right off, dude. Damn, she looks clean, though. Let's look at the other side here. Oh, damn, looks nice. What the fuck is that? Are you kidding me? Thanks, Delta. I appreciate it. Now I have a big rusted spot, dude. I'm pissed right now. Yeah, well, that's my Wednesday night for you. My truck needed a good wash, but I want that to happen. But, yeah, so stay tuned for next, tomorrow or something. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Yo, what is up? I'm closing this week's vlog right now. It's about like 2 o'clock in the morning, Friday morning, Thursday night. But yeah, I hope you liked this week's vlog. Sorry it was a little shorter, like in days, but lengthwise it was pretty long. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more. I don't know when I'm gonna be doing the next weekly vlog, but hope you liked it. Check it out. Check out my Instagram where I post pictures, and then drop a like.